guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're seeing this face for the very first time, hi, my name is Rutuja and I hope you guys are doing fantastic. So before I start with today's video, I would really like to say a few things because I know I have been MIA on YouTube literally for a month now and I'm really very sorry about it. To give you guys a short backstory why I have been MIA, that's because मेरे बाजू में एग्जैक्ट बाजू में कंस्ट्रक्शन का काम चल रहा था एंड अभी भी चल रहा है. सो आई एम फिल्मिंग दिस वीडियो अभी रात को अराउंड 12 o'clock in the night. So वो एक reason था and the other reason was that I was busy with my 21 days of fashion with Ruka series on my Instagram. That was a very spontaneous decision for me to film 21 videos back to back and upload it. So yeah, I did not plan that series. So मेरा पूरा time वो film करने में ही चला जाता था. Like I had to film, I had to edit, I had to direct the creatives, outfits and everything. So मेरा पूरा माइंड उस पर ही लगा था. सो यही सारे रीजंस है. बट या आई एम बैक ऑन यूट्यूब एंड वी हैव ऑलरेडी हिट 10K. सो आई एम सो थैंकफुल फॉर ईच एंड एवरी वन ऑफ यू who has subscribed to my channel. It really means the world to me. That being said, if you're not following me on my Instagram, please make sure you go and follow me over there because I have worked really very hard on my Instagram ये पूरे Feb के month में and I have managed to upload 19 reels by far. Today is the 22nd of Feb, so अभी तक 19 reels हो गए. कल 20th वाला जाएगा और उसके बाद 21st वाला जाएगा. So yeah, I am so sorry कि ये intro बहुत बड़ा हो गया, I know. But coming back to my point, so in today's video I'm going to share with you guys my birthday clothing haul. So for those who don't know, my birthday is on 24th of February. February being my birthday month, I shop a lot. I have clothes from H&M to street markets to random local shops and few are from online websites as well. So yeah, I have literally shopped my heart out and also I'm going for a birthday trip. तो उसके लिए भी मैंने बहुत सारी चीज़ें उठाई है तो वो भी मैं थोड़ा ऐड कर दूँगी. So if you are interested to see what all I got in my birthday month, keep on watching the birthday haul. And yeah, also this is not going to be a try on haul because I don't have time to try on clothes, but you can definitely follow me on my Instagram because most of the clothes मैंने उधर पहन ली है. So you can see the fittings and everything, ये सारे clothings का. Now without any further ado, let's just jump into the video. So let's start with Westside first. Now if you know me, I love shopping from Westside because you really get good pieces from there, and especially for accessories I feel Westside is the best brand to shop from. And I have really shopped a lot because मम्मा का भी बर्थडे था तो मम्मा के साथ मैंने भी हाथ साफ कर लिया. So if you're interested to see what all I got in accessories, let me know. I would do that haul as well. So to start with the first item, I got this tie-dye shirt. Now I got this from men's section, obviously. So yeah, this has a very oversized vibe going on over here, and obviously men's section sells, so it has to be baggy for me. I took this in the size S and this is how it looks like. I specifically took this for my birthday trip and yeah, I'm going to Goa, guys, if you don't know yet. So I'm going to Goa on the 25th, right after my birthday, and I just thought, you know, I'll just wear this on beach and मतलब where I'm wearing swimwear and उसके ऊपर I can just throw this on. As you all know, tie-dye is the new trend going on. So yeah, I just thought that it would really look very pretty and as well as trendy on me. So talking more about oversized clothes, I got one more sweatshirt again from men's section as well. So this is how it looks. मैंने सब S में लिया है जो मैंने men's section से उठाया है. This is this last item that I got from men's section. I got this for $6.99 if I'm not wrong. I'll give you guys an approx price because ये सारा ना मैंने Feb के month में लाया था and I really don't remember the exact price. So I'll give you a range, उसके बीच में आ जाएगा ये. So I think I did not mention ये 999 के लिए था, that is 1000 only. And yeah, this was for $6.99. So yeah, I love the color and इसलिए मैंने ये उठा लिया था मेरे लिए. So उसके बाद I got a pant for myself and this is how it looks like. I have literally wore this thousands of times and it is so comfy. I can live in this pant and it also has this Nara thing. 1499 to 1699 के बीच में मुझे ये मिल गया था and तब तक वेस्ट साइड में फिटिंग रूम चालू नहीं था तो I was really very skeptical, but I am happy कि मुझे अच्छे से ये फिट हो गया. And whenever I go down, this is the pant that I go to and यही मैं पहन के निकलती हूँ बाहर. So moving forward to H&M, मेरे पास ज़्यादा कुछ चीज़ें नहीं है H&M से. I only have 3 pairs of socks and one swimsuit for Goa. So ये socks के ऊपर जो ऑफर था that was buy 2 and get 1 free. So one pair of socks is for 250 rupees. So basically 500 में I got 3 pairs of socks. I got these printed socks because I love funky prints on socks these days. So मेरे को ना ऐसे मिले नहीं यार. हिलडोर अगर हॉल आपने देखा होगा तो उसमें भी मुझे मिले नहीं थे. If you can see इधर से ये पूरा when you wear it ये पूरा stretch हो जाता है. So I was really very unhappy with it. They told me कि socks exchange नहीं हो सकता. I was like okay fine whatever. It is cute. I'll make this work. So this is how it looks like. सो या एंड ये दूसरा पैर ऐसा दिखता है. इसमें ऐसे स्वीट लाइन्स बने हुए हैं. आई रियली लाइक द प्रिटी कलर कॉम्बिनेशन गोइंग ऑन ओवर हियर एंड इस पर थोड़ा सा ऐसा ग्लिटर डिटेलिंग्स भी है. आई होप यू गाइस कैन सी दिस. सो टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस पैर आई वॉज रियली लाइकिंग फ्राइज वाला बिकॉज ये लॉन्ग रन में मुझे काम आएगा इफ आई वॉन्ट टू क्लिक aesthetic pictures for my Instagram. So yeah, I took this fries wala and yeah, this is the bodysuit. I got this for idhar hi hai. So I got this for 799 and this is how it looks. I mainly got this because इस पे blush pink का hints है. So this is exactly how it looks. I hope you guys can see. The typical bodysuit है and it just hugs my curves very nicely and fits perfectly on me. So yeah, that's about it. I'm excited to wear this on beach and get tanned. Next brand that I have to show you guys is F3. So if you are a Mumbaiker, this is exactly situated in Vileparle West ka station. You will easily get it. It's a very big shop and yeah, you will find it right over there. And I think उधर बहुत सारे अच्छे चीज़ें मिल रहे थे like trendy pieces and everything. My mom actually took me over there because she got this one piece for me and I really loved it. So this is how the one piece looks like. As you can see ये हाथों पे उसका detailing है and I have styled this in one of my reels. So follow me on my Instagram. So follow me on my Instagram and you will see me styling most of these clothing items over there in my reels. It has a very classic vibe going on to it somehow. I feel that this olive green color somehow gives me army vibes as well. It also comes with a belt. So this is how it looks like. So the first top that I got from F3 is this. This is how it looks like. I mean, just look at it. It is so freaking pretty. I really loved it. I think it is between 250 to 350. I basically took this because of the pattern. अभी ये pattern detailing को क्या बोलते हैं मुझे पता नहीं, but I know कि ये pattern बहुत classic है. And I have seen a lot of people wearing this pattern. So जैसे I saw this, I was like, I need to get my hands on this. So उसके बाद I got one bottom wear and I got this denim का skirt. So I have been wanting to buy a denim का skirt since the longest time and मुझे मिलता ही नहीं था because again I'm a pure shape body type. So मेरे को proper fitting का मिलता ही नहीं था. So I just found this and I was like, dude, I need to get my hands on this. So this is how it looks like. Best part about this is that it has this pocket detailing and I'm sucker for pockets. If you are a girl, you know इसका importance कितना है. It is not like it's a Zara denim. It's a very flowy denim and you know आपको इसमें गर्मी नहीं होगी basically. I think I got this for 450 to 650 के range में. And I got थोड़ा OTD सा top. I got this sequins का top. So this is how it looks like. I think I got this between 350 to 450 and I think it was really a steal for that price because बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा क्वालिटी का है and अंदर भी जो मटेरियल है it's really very nice. So talking about the showstopper and my favorite piece ये पूरे हॉल में actually नहीं one of the favorite piece ये पूरे हॉल में. So this is this dress which has this SpongeBob print going on over here and you know like as soon as I saw this guys, I'm not even kidding, I was like I'm going to throw a games night party and I'm going to wear this because I was like oh my god it's such a funky print and I'm really into that vibes these days. So I think it's very perfect for me and I really can't wait to wear this and this together. I got this for 400 and this is just so cool. It's like a t-shirt dress but वो ऐसे sweatshirt के material में उसका detailing है. I hope you guys get it. So moving on to my next favorite brand which is Lifestyle. I feel Lifestyle के bottoms are so good for pure shape body type. I have literally discovered this अभी इतने सालों बाद. So yeah, I got 2 denims from Lifestyle and guess what? I got them in an offer going on which was buy one get one free. Basically I paid 1900 for both the pairs. So ये जो joggers है वो है 1900 के लिए and ये carrot fitting pant is for 1699 if I'm not wrong. But yeah, as I said, buy one get one offer था, so I only paid for this one and I got this one free. So I am in love with these pants guys because ये high waist है and it really fits so nicely on my body and hugs in the right place and नीचे से पूरा ऐसा flowy baggy सा vibe है. You know what a jogger is like, okay? So yeah, this is a denim jogger and I really love this chain detailing going on over here. Honestly, if you ask me, I was never into joggers, but when I saw this and when I wore this and the way it hugged my body, I was like, I need to take this anyhow. So yeah, I took this and this is from a brand called as Ginger. I think it's a very famous brand in lifestyle. So I got this from there and I really can't wait to wear this. I think this is going to be my next go-to pant after Westside का वो black वाला pant. उसके बाद the pant which I got free is this pant. Now this is a carrot fitting pant, but ये एक size बड़ा है मेरे लिए. मेरे को 26 fit होता है, but ये 28 था because उनका ऐसे out of stock था because obviously buy one get one is. So yeah, this is how the pant looks like. I really love the detailing going on over here. I think ये दो ही चीज़ें मैंने lifestyle से उठाई थी. Then moving on to pantaloons, I got one denim short and वो भी high waist है. So as you all know, ये paper bag का detailing वो बहुत ज़्यादा trend में चल रहा है. So as soon as I saw this, I was like, I need to take this because obviously high waist check, paper bag trend check and fitting check. So I was like, ले ही लेते हैं. So I think I got this for 1700. Yeah, I think I got this for 1700 if I'm not wrong. That is 1699 के लिए I got this. It also comes with a belt जो मैंने घुमा दिया है. But yeah, I have to find it. The next thing that I got from Pantaloons is this sweatshirt. Now this is a very vibrant yellow color ka sweatshirt and I was in love with this sweatshirt because of the color. This is from a brand called as Honey and I got this for 699 or 799. I'm really not sure. I think 799 का है ये. इस पे ये लिखा है कि if you can read this, you are too close. Darling, you're too close. Now we will come to this local shop I found in Irla. So if you are a Mumbaiker, you know what Irla is. It is basically a street market but it also has good shops in it. So now मैं आपको जो बताने वाली हूँ वो सारे items मैंने लिए from this shop called as Style Icon. And on my Instagram guys, so many people have asked me कि मैंने ये कहाँ से लिया. So the thing that I'm talking about is this denim pant. And oh my god, I don't even remember the number of times I have worn this pant and just imagine the freaking price I got this for. So this is how it looks like. I mainly took this because of this detailing. I saw this on Bruno, Gujju Unicorn. उसको मैंने ये पहन के हुए देखा था, तब से I was like, I need to buy this करके. So I luckily found it बाहर उन्होंने इसे टंगाया था. So I went into the shop and he was kind enough. He allowed me to try this and it just fitted so nicely. So yeah, it was for 800 or 850 rupees if I'm not wrong. But I don't know, I bargained it. Like I went into the shop and I bargained it for like around 750. So yeah, around ये 750 का ही है. So yeah, now everyone who has asked me about the details of this pant, now you know I got this from a shop in Irla called as Style Icon. I got 3 pairs of bralettes from that shop, Style Icon. So the first pair is this. This is how it looks like. And guys, honestly, if I tell you, I overpaid. I paid 450 rupees for this, but I think I really love the print. And you know, तभी ये new print आया था, and I think इसलिए वो थोड़ा सा costly था. But I could have easily bargained, but I didn't. I don't know why. And then the other bralette that I got is this one. So this is how it looks like. Again, this is in brown color and I really love this color. It looks very classic and I mainly got this because of this lace detailing. I don't know, I was somehow in lace detailings when I was shopping तभी. So lace detailing की वजह से मैंने ये भी ले लिया था. So this is how the third bralette looks like and I really thought, you know, ये अच्छा लगेगा when you just layer it with some good tops या dresses होते हैं उसके साथ आप लेयर करोगे तो ये बहुत sexy लगेगा because of the lace detailing. So you know, I did not think twice. So I got every bralette for 450, which is very costly in my opinion because the other day when I went to Hill Road, I saw the same bralette for 200 rupees, but it was like way later. So I think this is for 650 or 450. I'm really not sure, but ये दो तो 450 के हैं, I know. I think this is for 650, but again I'm not sure. So 450 to 650 के बीच में I got this. After the Style Icon brand, I have one pair of skirt again from Hill Road. So I vlogged it. मैं वापस Hill Road में गई थी. And I also have one Hill Road haul. You can go and check it out. I'll leave it over here. But तभी मुझे ये skirt नहीं मिला था. But again I went because my sister wanted to shop. So I was like, I'll just go and give her company. But I saw this and I really liked this. And this is the only pair I got when I shopped with her. And इस पे again only लिखा है. So I got this for 250 rupees and that uncle was really sweet enough. We have two brands remaining. So one is this Zudio. So I got this blush pinkish t-shirt, oversized t-shirt from this brand called as Zudio. तो ये स्टार बाजार के ऊपर मिलता है ये ब्रांड. आई डोंट नो अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस वो किधर मिलता है. सो इसके ऊपर ना ये अच्छे से ऐसे वर्क सेव ट्रैवल एंड रिपीट लिखा था. सो दिस रियली स्टोल माई हार्ट. एंड तभी मेरा ऑब्सेशन नहीं था ब्लश पिंक का, बट नाउ आई एम हैप्पी दैट आई टुक दिस. सो आई गॉट दिस फॉर 299, दैट इज 300. द नेक्स्ट थिंग आई गॉट आर दीज bras from Zimame. So this is how the first bra looks like. I really love the color and it has this chota sa lace detailing going on, so I really like this. And this was my first time ordering from Zimame, so I think I'm really very happy with their fitting and the quality is really very soft. So yeah, ये padded bras है and I don't like वो जो क्या बोलते हैं उसको wiring bras होते हैं. I don't like that. And yeah, I'm pretty happy with the fitting and everything as I said also. And then I got one more nude color का bra, but it is not padded. It just makes no sense for me to wear it because obviously your nipples are going to show. TMI. I think I have to wear stick-ons, नहीं तो थोड़ा सा heavy clothing. इसका भी fitting is very nice. थोड़ा सा tight है, but I think it's very nice. And I got both of them for 915 rupees. I got a very good discount because my total was 1390. I took it in one of their sales. I'm really very happy that I invested in these. उसके बाद I think the last item that I have for this haul is this pair of bralette. This is how it looks like. So I mainly got this for Goa because I really love this and इस मतलब मुझे ना बहुत सारे से बैक के पिक्चर्स खींचने हैं. So I think it will really look so pretty and obviously red is such a vibrant color. So yeah, this is the last pair of item in this haul that I got. So yeah guys, that was it for my birthday and birthday trip haul. I would say I'm really very happy with my shopping and specifically मेरे denim के shoppings के लिए I'm really very proud of myself because I have got so many versatile bottom wear as you saw and I'm really excited to style them. So if you like this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and like this video, comment down below and let me know which videos would you like to see. के लिए I'm going to post birthday related videos March में because I'll take time to edit it. If you want to see Goa के BTS, go and follow me on my Instagram. I'm going to upload a hell lot of stories. I love you guys so much. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, live and let live. Take care. Bye bye.